Hello all. In this session we are going to see how to integrate JMeter with WebDriver. Now in order to integrate JMeter with WebDriver you need to download few jars. This jar is there, WebDriver tutorial, and we have to download this jar. So just go down over here and you will see the guide about how to use this WebDriver integrator. So this is the site where you can use this integrator, and in order to install it just go here, it is taking some time. Let me go back. Yep. Okay, I'll go over here. Yep. Yeah, so this is the WebDriver sampler. So you need to download this one in order to use the WebDriver in conjunction with JMeter. Just download this and you will get the instructions as to where to place the jars. I have already downloaded it and I have placed the jars in the appropriate location. So let me see, Apache JMeter lib, yep, and there you go. So let me see, there are few jars. Once you download it, let me open this thing. Yep, JPGC JMeter, show in folder, and I will open it using folder so that you will come to know about the jars. Yeah, so here is the lib folder. These all jars you need to place in the lib folder, and the files in the ext folder you need to place in the ext folder. So I have already done that, and now we are ready to, I have restarted JMeter after that, and furthermore you can also find examples as to how to run WebDriver test in JMeter plugins. So I have copied the example from jmeterplugins.org, and this is the example in which I am first starting the sampler result, then I am getting this website, and then I am ending the sampler. In order to use the WebDriver sampler you need to put a JPIGC Chrome driver config. Similarly you can put a Firefox config here, and in this Chrome driver config you need to put the Chrome driver.exe path. Make sure that the Chrome driver.exe path is the recent one. The Chrome driver.exe is the recent one, updated one. Put a listener over here, view results tree, and then we just clear the earlier results and run it. Okay, so it's running now. Yeah, so it started running. It maximized the window and it has opened the site. Okay, it will close it now. Okay, it has closed it. So this is how the WebDriver and JMeter can be integrated. There are other ways also that you can do it. You can create a jar file and you can create a JUnit sampler, but I will cover that in a later section. This is how you use the WebDriver sampler. Thank you.